Hello viewers, welcome back to Apple Info YouTube channel. Have you ever missed an important call or text because your iPhone was silent or kept away? We have all been there. Luckily, your iPhone can provide a flashing light notification to quickly grab your attention. It uses the camera flashlight to give you a visual cue whenever you get an alert. Let's explore how to turn on flash notifications on your iPhone and use it effectively. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Accessibility. Scroll down to find Audio and Visual. Tap on it. Scroll all the way down and tap LED Flash for alerts. Toggle on LED Flash for alerts. From here, you can also choose to turn off flashlight alerts when your iPhone is unlocked or silent mode. That's it. From now, your iPhone flash will blink 3 times when notifications for incoming calls, texts, and other alerts hit your handset. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.